Hello students, good morning to everyone. The last class I was discussing about exercise 10.3, exercise 10.3 questions. Okay, in that fourth question I asked you to do yourself and I gave a hint also. Okay, so hope everyone did this one. In case any doubts are there, please let me know, I said. But I did not receive any error call. So once again I'll revise, I'll brief it fourth question. Those whoever did, check your answer whether your answer is correct or not. If not, those who did not attempt, please listen carefully this question. Fourth question. A cylindrical mug of radius 5 centimeters and height 9.8 centimeters is full of water. Mug or tub. In my old textbook it was tub. So I read tub only there. A solid in the form of a right circular cone mounted on a hemisphere is immersed into the mug. The radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeters and height of the conical portion is 5 centimeters. Find the volume of water left in the tub. There is a cylindrical tub. Okay. In this one, you are immersing a solid in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a cone. This you are immersing in this one. So your resultant solid becomes as a, when you immerse it is a, this one. Water left in the tub, they asked. Water left in the tub. Okay. This was the question they given and I asked you to do yourself. How many of you did? I don't know. Check your answer. See here. The cylindrical tub of radius is radius of the tub is equal to 3.5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. Only 5 centimeters. Sorry. 5 centimeters means capital R is equal to 5 centimeters. And the height of the tub is equal to capital H is equal to 9.8 centimeters if I am not wrong. It is full of water. In this cylinder you are immersing this solid. Means whatever the weight you have, the solid weight is that much water will come outside. Okay. Now radius of hemisphere, radius of hemisphere is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Means it is R. And the height of cone, height of cone is equal to 5 centimeters. 1 H is equal to 5 centimeters. Means now you need to find out water left in the tub when you immerse the solid in this one. When you put the solid inside this, water will come outside. How much weight of the water solid is there now? That much weight of water will come outside. So water left in the tub, water left in the tub, not taps or tub, is equal to volume of tub minus volume of cone. Solid means cone and hemisphere. Plus volume of hemisphere. Okay, volume of hemisphere. Volume of tub minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. What is volume of tub here? Pi r square h minus of volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus hemisphere volume is 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, now this I write this one as a pi r square h minus from this one 1/3 pi r square I can take common, so that I can simplify easily here. H plus 2r, h plus 2r. Again from this one r's are different, but pi is same only, you know. From this whole, if you take pi common, r square h minus 1/3 r square into h plus 2r. Is it visible to you, all of you? Now substitute and simplify this one. Water left in tub is equal to 22/7 into r square. What is r here? 5 into 5 into h, 9.8 minus now 1/3 into 3.5 is 3.5 means 35/10 into 35/10 into h plus 2r means 5 plus 7. Is it visible or not? I don't know exactly. Okay, it is not visible. I think I'll write here. Water left in tub is equal to 22/7 into r square h. R is 5 into 5 into 9.8 minus 1/3 into 35/10 into 35/10 into h plus 2r. 5 plus 2, 3.5 is 7, 2, 7 is 14. That is equal to 22/7 into 25 into 9.8 minus 1/3 into 35/10 into 35/10 into, if I get cancellation, no issue. If I don't get cancellation, 90. Sorry, it is 7, it is 3.5 into 2, no? 2, 3.5 is 7. Means 12 it is. So 3 1 plus 3 4 plus. So better write this one 3.5 only, because I am getting cancellation now. That is equal to 22/7 into 25, 9.8 jars. 25 8 jars 200. 25 9 plus 225. 225 plus 20 is 245. Means 1 digit after point, 0 minus 3.5 into 3.5 is 12.25 into 4. That is equal to 22/7 into 2 245 minus 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 1s are 4, 49 huh? Yes, 49. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 245 minus 49 is 196 seconds. 196. Now 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56. Now 22 into 28. 56, 616 cubic centimeters. In this topic, calculations are lengthy calculations are, but be careful here. Water left in the tub is equal to 616 cubic centimeters. Okay. Radius of the tub is 5 centimeters. Capital R is equal to 5 centimeters. Height of the tub is equal to h 9.8 centimeters. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Small r. Radius of cone is equal to height of the cone is equal to 5 centimeters. H. Water left in the tub means volume of tub minus volume of the solid. Volume of the solid means cone plus hemisphere. Now 1 by 3 pi r square if I take pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. 1 by 3 pi r square if I take common h plus 2 r, that is r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h into h plus 2 r. So simplify it, we will get the answer. Okay. After this, next question, fifth question. Be careful, calculations are lengthy. Do it carefully. Okay now. Next question, fifth question. Okay, next question, fifth question. Fifth question. In the adjacent figure, the height of a solid cylinder is 10 cm and diameter 7 cm. Two equal conical holes of radius 3 cm and height of 4 cm are cut off as shown in the figure. Find the volume of the remaining solid. This is the figure. Same figure you may find in your textbooks. Go through with that. See, in the adjacent figure, a solid cylinder is there. A solid cylinder. What is the radius? Diameter of the cylinder is equal to diameter of cylinder is equal to 10 centimeters. Means radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Capital letter. Sorry, height is 10 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is equal to height of cylinder h is equal to 10 centimeters. The diameter of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeters. Then automatically radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Two equal conical holes of radius 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter are cut off as shown in the figure. Conical holes of radius this cone. Two cones are removed. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Now here they given conical radius only they given. Radius of the cone is equal to R is equal to 3 centimeters and the height of the cone is equal to 4 centimeter. Height only know? Height of cone is equal to h is equal to 4 centimeter. Now volume, these are removed. Leftover volume they asked. Volume of the remaining solid. Volume of remaining solid is equal to, right here, volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus 2 into volume of cones. That's it now. These two portions are removed now. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r square h. 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So both radius is different. Okay. Everything is different. So only pi I may get common. Then r square h minus 2 by 3 r square h. This h is different, this h is different, this r is different, this r is different. So substitute this one. 22 by 7 into r square. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 10 minus 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 4. 3 cancel. 2 ones, 2 fives you can cancel. Don't cancel these two because you took common. 22 by 7 into 7 into 3.5 into 5 minus 2 into 3 into 4. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 5 35. 35 into 3.5. 35 is just 125. 1 degree after point 122.5 minus 2 3s are 6 6 4s are 24. Now subtract this one. 24.0 5.12 minus 4 8 11 minus 2 9 98.5. 22 by 7 into 98.5. Now cancel Now cancel it is. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28, 14 7 is 0.5 is there. Exactly I don't get, I may not get, but are they given any calculations, different calculations? Check once calculations whether they given correct any other calculations. (22 into 98.5) that is equal to 2167. Okay. So 98, 5, 2, 2, 5 are 10, 2, 8 are 16, plus 1, 17. 2, 9 are 18, plus 1, 19. (2167) by 7. Divide it. 7 3s are 29. 0. 20. Sorry, 7 3s are 21. 6. Not all 0. 67. 7 9s are 63. 0.57 approximate value. Therefore, volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of remaining solid is equal to 309.57 cubic centimeters. Check out once calculations are there. corrections are there, please correct them. Okay, the problems are easy only calculations are lengthy. Please go through with that. Once again I'll revise it. Okay, height of the cylinder equal to 10 centimeter and diameter is 7 centimeter. Then radius of the cylinder is 7 by 2. Radius of a cone is 3 centimeters. Height of a cone is 4 centimeter. From this cylinder, you need to subtract two cones volume. Volume of two cones we have to subtract. Volume of a cylinder is pi r square h minus 2 into volume of a cone. Pi r square 1 by 3 pi r square h. So pi you will get common 22 by 7. Into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 10 minus 2 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 5s are cancel. 3 cancel. 22 by 7. Since you don't have any other denominator, so 7 by 2 I wrote as an extra step 3.5 only. Okay. Now 7 into 5 into 3.5. 35 into 3.5 is 122.5. That is 24. 122 minus 0.5 minus 24 is 98.5. Cancel it. You will get the 309.57 cubic centimeters. This is your fifth question. Same model, sixth question is there. Another one. Okay. A spherical marble of diameter 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter, which contains some water. Find the number of marble that should be dropped into the beaker so that water level rises by 5.6 centimeters. Water level rises, increases. Before full of water, so some water is poured out. But here water is some water only in the beaker. So whatever the solid you will immerse in that beaker, water level will raise. That means height will increase. Okay, water height will be increased. From bottom to top is 5.6 meters, centimeters height is there. Okay. Sixth question. A spherical marble of diameter 1.4 centimeters are dropped into a marble. You are dropping into a cylindrical beaker. Okay. Water level is still here only. Suppose when you drop the spherical marbles, this water level rises to till here. Means water level height is 5.6 centimeters. This is only H. Okay. Radius of the diameter of the marble. Diameter of marble, spherical marble, is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Means radius is equal to 1.4 by 2 is equal to 0.7 centimeters. Means 7 by 10 centimeters you can take. If required, you can take it as 7 by 10 centimeters. Seven by 10 centimeters. Okay. 14 by 20 no? Okay. Now it is dropped into the cylindrical beaker of diameter. Diameter of the beaker is equal. Diameter of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter. Means the radius of the cylinder is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Which contains the water. Some water is there. Before this was here till here on the water level. Now it increases to till here. Means the raising of the water is 5.6 centimeters. Raising level of the water is 5.6 centimeters. Means H is equal to 5.6 centimeters. To reach this 5.6 centimeters height, how many marbles are you the beaker? That they asked. Find the number of marbles. To reach water level was starting was it was here only. When you drop the marbles, this water level rises to 3 here. Means height became as a 5.6 centimeters. Actual height they did not give. Water at what level water is there, that did not mention. But after dropping the marbles, water rises to the 5.6 centimeters height. Means height of the water is 5.6 centimeters. Then how many marbles dropped in they asked? Let us suppose number of marbles dropped is equal to x. X number of marbles is equal to volume of the water in the cylinder. Means x into volume of one marble, spherical marble, is equal to volume of water in the cylinder. Means x into volume of a spherical is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of water in the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. This pi cancel. X into 4 by 3 into r value 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10. These are some different. So here r square 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 5.6 means 56 by 10 we can write. 56 by 10. Now transpose all values to other side. X is equal to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 56 by 10 into 3 by 4 into 10 by 7 into 10 by 7 into 10 by 7. Now 7 cancel, 7 cancel, 7 1s are 7 8s are 4 1s are 4 2s are. Again 2 cancel, 10 cancel. Any more? No. X is equal to 3 into 10 by 2. That is equal to x is equal to 2 1s 2 5s 115 marbles are dropped. 115 marbles are dropped. Check that answer. Diameter of marble is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Means radius is equal to 7 by 10 centimeters. Diameter of the cylinder equal to 7 centimeters. Radius of the cylinder equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. Height of the cylinder equal to 5.6. That height is water level raised. Number of marbles is equal to supposed as a x. Means x marbles volume is equal to water present in the cylinder. Because water level is less only in cylinder. So when you drop these marbles, water level will increase. Water will not come outside. In previous problem, water will come outside. X into 4 by 3 into pi r cube is equal to pi r square h. Pi cancel. 4 by 3 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 into 7 by 10 is equal to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 56 by 10. Now transpose all values except x, make x as a subject. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 56 by 10 is equal into 3 by 4 into 10 by 7, 10 by 7, 10 by 7. 10 10 cancel, 7 2 7s cancel, 7 1s are 7 8s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 2 2 cancel. Now left is 3 into 10 by 2, 2 5s are 5 are 15, 15 10s are 150 centimeter, 150 marbles are there. Now let's last question, seventh question. Seventh question is a pen stand is made of wood in the shape of a cuboid in 3 conical depressions to hold the pens. The dimension of the cuboids are 15 cm, 10 cm, 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and the depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. Means a pen stand volume. Volume of the wood in the pen stand is equal to volume of a cuboid minus volume of 3 cones, because conical shapes are there now to hold that pen, that you need to subtract. Okay. Now dimensions of the wood is equal to dimensions of the cuboid is equal to 15, 10 and 3.5 centimeters. This is in the shape of a cuboid. So here the depressions are in conical shape. Only to understand one face only I am drawing here. Okay, this we need to remove it. So length of the cuboid is equal to L is equal to 15 centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to B is equal to 10 centimeters. And the height of the cuboid is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Check out once. Let me check that one. Yes. The radius of each of the depression, conical depression, means radius of cone shape is radius of cone is equal to R is equal to 0.5. That is equal to 1 by 2 centimeters. This is 35 by 10. 7 by 2 are 5 7 by 2. Okay. Now, and the depth of the cone is equal to 1.4 centimeters. Depth of the cone is equal to height 1.4. That is equal to 14 by 10 centimeters. 2 7 plus 2 5 plus. 5 on the 5 point 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay. Now, what they asked you, find the volume of the wood. Volume of the wood. Volume of wood in the stand is equal to volume of a cuboid minus 3 into volume of cone. That is equal to L into B into H. Cuboid now minus 3 into volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi R square H. 3 cancel. Volume of wood in the stand 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus, that is at 22 by 7 into R square, means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 5. Is it visible to you, all of you? Okay, 1 by 2 into volume of wood. This stand is equal to volume of wood in this stand is equal to 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 5. Am I right? Radius is 0.5 only, no? So 7 cancel. 2 1s, 2 11s cancel. This is 15 into 10 into 3.5 is 35. 10 into 3.5 is 35. Minus 11 ones are 11 by 5 twos are 10. 15 fives are 35. Sorry, 15 fives are 75. 15 threes are 45. 45 plus 3 is 7 is 52. 525 minus 1.1. 525 1.1 10 minus 1 9 4 minus 1 3 2 523.9 centimeter cube. All wherever volumes are there, cubic units only. In hurry, if I write anywhere square centimeter also, correct them. Okay, don't take it as granted. Centimeter square will not be volume, will be cubic units only. Either cubic centimeters or cubic units or some other values. Okay, whatever the units are given, cubic units only, that is. Okay, volume of wood in the stand is equal to 523.9 cubic centimeters. In centimeters, no, cubic centimeter. If it is in meters, cubic meters. Am I clear? Okay, please write down. Solid. It is in cuboid shape, sir. Actually, cuboid, only one face I drawn to understand. Only one face only I drawn to understand that what are the conical depressions are there. To identify that one, I show that one. Only one face I draw. Length, breadth, height they given. Radius of the cone given. Depth of the cone. Depth of the cone is height of the cone only, that is. Volume of the wood in the stand is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 3 cones. Okay, 523.9 cubic centimeters. Please write down with this. Third exercise also completed. Only one last exercise is there. That is a combination of solids. That is one solid to another solid conversion. Conversions are there. The conversions we'll discuss in next exercise. Thank you.